that.
Hey guys, BG Rides here.
Underneath your saddlebag.
We are over at Medicine's Man's house, and he's got that gorgeous, absolutely like cream of the crop looking new Goldwing. What color is this thing?
That is Pearl Stallion Brown.
And it's a very, honestly, a very cool color. But anyway, if you guys are interested and you want to check out, if you guys want to see how to install
That's actually my most favorite color,
a center stand,
all the new ones.
watch this video. It only take you about 20 minutes. This is the whole kit. Medicine Man just unboxed everything. That's the whole entire center stand kit. This must go up in here somewhere.
Yep.
This is the spring that probably retracts it back up.
Yep.
Got a little cotter pin, some kind of fancy, neat looking pivot bolt or something.
So I understand that comes in from the right hand side.
And we got to take this off. This is what we're going to try and take off first. That's a good light.
Yes, you got to pay for it though. That Snap-on guy, he should be caught for rape. I'm telling you. Every time you get off that truck, you feel like it.
Better than the cornhole truck though, because you feel like you got cornholes, right?
Okay, well that came off there, but I don't see where it did much of anything. Other than show people how to get it off of there using one of the, let's see, is this Mac?
Okay.
No, it's Snap-on.
As you can tell, we have never done this before.
No.
We have one professional mechanic here, and
it doesn't seem to be.
Yeah, but we're gonna get this. We're gonna lick it. Ooh, it just slid off.
Okay, so here's two of our little pieces right there.
Okay, you need to take this little cap off. Did it just slide off?
Oh, yeah, I had to pry up from the bottom, and it rotated up. And there's a little teeny piece up here on top. Snaps in.
Okay.
And then it looks like a couple Allen heads that all into the loan. It's amazing. If it wasn't for Jeff coming over and slowing me down, who knows what I could have bought. That's for a CB600? I'll buy it.
What, they haven't made that since '98? I might get one later. I need it.
Well,
that's getting closer. It looks like it's getting looser.
Hey Jeff, the smaller hammer on the no.
Okay, this is an important step.
So this whole thing has to be relined up. So what happened is it just had, and once you get these pieces off here, you just kind of have to push it forward a little bit.
Yeah, you just get those two off, right? That are in there, yeah.
Yep.
And then the whole thing slides forward?
So yeah, it's got a little rubber mount right here, and a little rubber mount here, and you just push the whole thing forward.
That's actually pretty damn easy. So it's really just those two screws.
Once you're smarter than the equipment you're trying to operate, that's for sure.
Yeah, just do the two screws that are, here.
I can. I mean, I haven't tried putting it on right there.
A little bit of lube.
Yep.
A little's good, a lot's better. Lube her up like you're going for anal, right?
What are you doing with that? Was that 10 millimeter?
This is 10 millimeter. I just put it in there as far as I could, finger tight, and then I just finished tightening it up.
We don't know what torque it should be.
Well, it's good and tight. It's a German torque.
That's the best kind right there.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of lubum on this piece, because over here is a little mount that it has to go into. It's back over on this side. You might be able to see it. There you go. And it's the part that I did not take a picture of. I just kind of had to guesstimate. I saw something on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take a little screwdriver. And what I'm going to try to do is just turn it in there so it pops in. There it is.
And see if it's lined up.
Yeah, I might have to go to the other side.
We'll go over there and I'll push it through.
Well, I wouldn't expect it not to want to.
You're not in the hole.
I know, I see that. It's really weird.
Ooh, there you go.
Here's part of it. Okay, there
Oh,
it is.
yeah.
There's that part. I'll have to get over on the other side and...
You want me to stand it up on there now?
No, I still got to put the cotter pin in. But I guess we could stand it up on there and then put the cotter pin on.
That's pretty risky.
Yeah, but I still got to get the spring on. Well, I don't think it's risky.
It's not?
No.
What if that thing came out?
The whole pin's going to have to come completely out.
Okay.
Wouldn't be just the one thingy. It'd be all three thingies. It sure would be easier to put the cotter pin on from the other side, though. I kind of like Jeff's idea because of the angles.
That's a pretty far way to stretch it. We should do the pennies.
You know what? Somebody else's did the pennies. I get to try something else.
Okay.
I've put screwdrivers in it before.
Medicine Man's pretty damn strong. He might be able to pull. Brother, if you hold the kickstand up, you want it up or down, Ed?
Yeah, it does look like it's a little bit closer when it's up.
You want me to hold it up?
Sure, sure.
Okay, this is a 3-man
Hold on a
job.
second.
No, 2-man. 2 real men.
Where'd they go? I've been waiting. Okay. Nope, that's not tight enough. That should be tight enough. There we go. We're gonna see if I can stretch it. I gotta get my bahookie back here.
Well, you're close. Oh, damn. Oh, God, Ed. Look at that. Look, you don't need no pennies.
There we go.
You're the man, dude. And okay, we're gonna, without the cotter pin in, without this gorgeous washer and cotter pin in, we're gonna try and
I need to turn off once.
put this thing up on the center stand.
They don't give you a lot of room. So now we're gonna lift it up to the center.
There.
There we go.
Ooh, that worked pretty good. We do not. Okay. We do not condone or recommend that step at all.
Yes, we do.
Because you could kill yourself. The bike could fall on you and break all your bones. But we're crazy, so we're not professionals.
Had to happen a few times.
Disclaimer. Yeah.
There, now we're just gonna pull this up out of the way. Honda anticipated us doing it from this side. There it is right there. So now, I'm going to take the cotter pin, slide it through the pre-drilled holes. Then, what you want to do is use your diagonal cutters. Actually, I'm going to turn it around the other way because I want the long end this way. Just grab a hold of them, grab it, and bend it around all the way. All the way up nice and tight.
Could you use like needle nose too?
Yeah, you could use needle nose. You can use some, I got vice grip needle nose. You can use a screwdriver. Hell, I mean, you can use your finger. I do them all the time at work. Just using my finger.
That's for superhero shit though.
Well, it's somebody who's been doing it since they were 15. Okay, just gonna reach up in here, bend them around a little bit more, make them nice and tight. Uh-oh, we had fallout.
Didn't I fucking say?
Well, yeah, but this has been over out of the way, remember?
Okay.
Once we get it realigned, so there that is, it's all in there. We just had to pull the other side apart. And then this will rotate back in. And we had 4 before, now we're down to 3. So where did the other one go?
You had 4 what?
This is a cold lake.
Yeah, very. Oh, there it is. There it is. We're going to stick this one back up inside here. Hopefully my arm's not in the way of the production picture here. Yeah, there they are. And what I'll end up doing is just taking a zip tie and zip tying them from the inside.
That would be a good idea.
But you know,
it keeps it looking clean.
There it is. Now you won't see it. It's a, yeah, there's the.
Yes or no?
So yeah. Here, let me see the goopum. And I'm just going to put a little bit of lubum on here. to get them to go ahead and slide back on easier. Uh-oh, that's a nice scratch. Hope I do that again.
It was down here too.
Okay.
We got to get the light. Our production light.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is put this up here. Rotate it over. We got to pull it back far enough to get it on here. And rotate it up. So then I'm going to...
I think this has to get behind and it slides forward.
I'm just trying to get two of them at one time and make sure this isn't messing me up. Okay. I think the production light's in the way. Not no more. So we might have to put the production light over there. This is one of those deals like trying to put a cat in a bag.
And it doesn't want to go in?
That's right. Because you got to get them all at one time. And trust me, I've had to hang over 100 feet in the air trying to put a cat in a bag before. Okay, so it appears, I like to do that as a discredit, as a credit there, it appears that it's all back on there, right?
So it is a little tricky, isn't it? You're trying to get these two areas.
Yeah, so you got to get over this, slide it forward, put the top on first because it's curved over the top. Then you got to get both those started at the same time you get this one started because they're all going back the same distance.
Yeah, here I'll try and get an up close shot. But it's that little setup there you're trying to get back together. And then once you get it back together, you're just putting the two screws back in right there.
That guy was happy this morning, Dad. Pleased as punch.
Yeah, how's he like your Ultra?
Oh, okay, yeah. I thought you were talking about you going and buying the stuff. Yeah, he really liked the bike. He was excited for it. He was going to leave it here till Monday to pick it up when they came back from Leavenworth, but he wasn't about ready to. Once he rode it.
Tighten the bottom one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now
we need our production light.
We're going to start the top, and let's see. Looks like it's gonna snap into two different locations here.
It's got a little front clip.
Get my fingernail up underneath there and lift it up a little bit.
That's a nice fit.
Yeah. You know, you gotta admit, Honda does a really good job.
Yeah. And then one screw.
Okay. Yeah, you go ahead and put
this.
this.
Oh, it's a push pin.
Yeah, it's two different pieces.
Yeah.
And you can start it like that. It's much easier doing it like this than it is trying to start it once you push it in. Just squeeze them together, get them in there, and then push it up, and it's back in.
Right on, man. That's it. That turned out really nice.
Now let's take it all back apart and do it again so everybody will think we did it right the first time.
Yeah. We gotta have a closer for the video.
Me trying to get back up.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Can everybody give Medicine Man the golfer's clap? Because
yeah.
He's the pro here. He knew what the hell to do. And he was able to get that spring on without using the penny trick.
It was actually, it's called a SWAG, Scientific Wild Ass Guess.
Yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next ride. Peace out.